Let's see how to create a zip file on Windows 10. For example, I created 4 text file named as 1234 on desktop. So select all files, right click on any of them, then go to send to option and now click on compressed folder. You can see zip file is created. Double click on it to open. This is the compressed zip folder that contains the selected items. In the next step, in the file explorer, I created some more text files. So select all of them and then click here to create a compressed zip folder that contains the selected items. That's it guys. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.